Hello darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. So I've been since asked on how I resize my images to fit a full sheet water slide onto a tumbler, whether it's a 20 ounce or it's a 30 ounce modern curve. This is what I do. But I want to show you, this is an example. I do have a tutorial on this. If you check out my channel, you will see how I did this one. It's a 20 ounce modern curve, glittered bottom, full sheet water slide. Where's my end? Everyone asks about, okay, so here it is. Everyone asks if they can see my seam. Okay, so let me show you. So let's just pretend that I wanted to put this image on an 8x10 canvas, and or just for shits and giggles, I wanted to put it on a tumbler. Not that I would, but this is an example that we're going to use. So I've already got the image pulled up that I'm going to resize. So I always test the image. We want to do a landscape and see how much wider the edges are. So even if I was to change this to A4, it's even worse. Okay, so I automatically know this is not going to work to cover as a full sheet water slide. So let's close that out, and we're gonna go, okay, so we're at resizeimage.net. I'll drop the link down below. This is the page that I use every single time I'm gonna change the size of a picture. So you just upload an image. Okay, so there's the image. And then we're just going to keep aspect ratio on, and we're going to put 2250, and it automatically changes. So then we're going to go right here and resize the image. Now we're going to download. It's already ready to download. So mine always pops right back up. Now we're right back where we started, except now we're going to go to print, landscape mode. And you see how I have this little tiny trim? So even though I'm going to change my letter from 8.5 by 11, I'm going to change it to A4. And the trim has not changed at all. So I printed, well, yes, I did print this one. This one I was going to put on a canvas. And see the trim here and how wide this is. You don't want this if this was going to go on a cup. I've tried, I failed. It's just not, hypothetically, if it was to go on the cup like this, it's not going to work. Even using Plasti Dip, it's way too much play. But I had printed this out initially for my 8x10 canvas. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, it would fit perfectly, even in the width. So that's what this image is for. It's actually to go on this canvas, which I've also done a tutorial with WaterSlides on a canvas. You want to clear seal and Plasti Dip just as if you were going to put this on a cup. Let me show you this other one. This is a 24 ounce. This is just an image that I pulled off of the internet. There's no distortion whatsoever, because when you go looking for images, you want to make sure that they are wallpaper background sizes. So huge. So basically this image would now be ready for me to print on my water slide, and then I would proceed with sealing it as well as using the Plasti Dip to allow the elasticity that we're gonna need as we're, you know, tugging on it and whatnot. Anyways, I have a Northern Lights 20 ounce, and I also have a 30 ounce water slide that I use as a stencil for glitter. You can definitely check those out on my channel, and you'll see what I'm talking about, because you definitely want them with this trim. And that's all that you're going to cut off prior to applying it to the tumbler. Let's see, here is unsplash.com. I've spoken about this several times before. So let's just click on textures and patterns. So you can easily go in here, maybe not this specifically, but go in and you can grab these images for free, download them, and if you have to resize that, then just go to the image resizeimage.net. So I will share the link for the unsplash.com and the resizeimage.net. So you guys can check this out, and I really hope this helps. I want to say, when I do small images such as this, these I do through Cricut, my Cricut design space. But for whatever reason, I've never attempted one this size. I just automatically print from right here. I don't even bother to take these super large images into design space. That's just me. However, you guys are most welcome to comment if you've tried it and it's worked. I'd love to know. I love learning. So if you guys have a different way that might be easier, please do not hesitate to share that. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I do hope this tutorial has helped someone out there unable to resize their images larger to help you apply them to a full sheet water slide. Thank you guys for joining Everything with Tumbler Tutorials at Creative Vinyl Designs. Bye.